G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Tony, this is the Mighty Jimny, and today, rather than go on a West Australian adventure, I'm just going to do a short video on how to change the indicator lights located just down here on the JB74 Suzuki Jimny. And it's probably one of the best things about this car. The accessory and aftermarket parts market has absolutely exploded, so lots of different things that you can do. I've been away with work for a little while, hence why this is the first little video that I'm doing. And while I was away, I decided that I'd do a few things to the Jimny and order a few things online where I could. And one of the things that I ordered was these dynamic LED indicator lights. So they just come in a little box, and that's how they come there. So you can see it's a pretty straightforward little unit and little bad boy there, and that's the other side that I've already done. And these are great little mod. They give like a little black accent on that side, and a few other things that I'll be doing to this side. It's going to look really good actually. So you sit back, go grab yourself a beer. I'll do all the hard work as per usual and show you how to do this one. Alright, so this would have to be the easiest mod to do on a Jimny. Sorry for the background noise if there is any. I'm just doing this from my garage. So literally all you're doing here is pulling this off like that. It's just a little tab in the side there, so you can just push in and it will just lift away. It's that simple. On the back here there's a little plug. Alright, I've just washed the car so it's a little bit wet. Alright, so on the back here there's a little plug and you can see the wires coming in here. Big thing about this, do not let this drop back inside here. If you do that, then you're going to be fishing around in there for a while trying to get it. So it's pretty straightforward. You just wriggle that one off. Alright, make sure it's nice and dry. Alright, and just leave it there so it's not going to go anywhere. Then grab your new one. This just slides. Give it a blow out there. This slides in here, like that. And you can just see in the back here, there's a little tab there, and then there's this little side. Just hook that side there, and then push home. And it is that simple. All right, so what does it look like? Well, it looks like... Oh, that's pretty cool. So like I said, these are really easy, and one of the best things about it is that it just gives that nice little black accent on the side of the car, and it's got a little dynamic LED in there. Fantastic. Alright guys, so a very snappy video on that one. As you can see, the little indicator lights here work an absolute treat, so that's a great little mod. Probably the easiest thing that you can do to a Jimny, to be honest, and they're not very expensive. I think these ones only cost me 20 bucks. So throw that in your skyrocket, do what you will. All right, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe to the channel. There's going to be a lot more content coming over the next couple of months. I've got a few camping trips planned for a couple of big, long solo ones where I'll be going down the southwest, a couple of group camping trips, a couple of 4x4 days, and then I've also got a few more pieces of kit that are coming in the mail at the moment. I've also got a review of my new swag and stretcher setup, review of the new spotlight setup that it's going to be going up on the top there, and a few other bits and pieces. So please stay tuned, lots of good stuff coming. Once again, thanks very much. My name's Tony, this is the Mighty Jimny. Take care guys, have a good one.